Look at everyone's here, bro. I'm running hella late. We got Brian, we got Pedro. Look, are these fools chilling? They're both in the car waiting. Nah, roll his window down, bro.
I just washed it.
What's good?
Washed it, bro. It's hot as hell.
I know, my car's hella dirty, bro. Damn, I haven't seen this thing in a while. Look, Chrome TEs. Look, we got KB, Sal, Oscar, and we're still waiting on Corey and Riley. The R8 and the G80. Is this fool in here? Yoo-hoo!
How you doing?
Good yourself?
Finally, bro, an hour later.
Oh, I know. What time did you get here?
At 5.
What? You've been here for an hour? Oh shit. What's good, bro? Oh, fire shirt. Sheesh. What's going on, bro? Sheesh. Man, look who just made it right after me. Hella loud. You guys should have heard him pulling up. Sheesh. Sheesh. But yeah, welcome back to another video. Look, guys, I bought a new car. Guys, can you guys guess whose car I'm in?
Just take off.
Damn, yeah.
Just take off with that shit.
Dude, this is fire, bro. It's hella nice. Bro, yeah, he keeps his cars hella clean. This is Sal's car.
The seats are my favorite, though. Show the
Dude,
seats.
hell yeah.
The prom.
Sheesh. But yeah, this is fire. But yeah, we're gonna head out right now. Riley's gonna meet us there. I wanna see the homie with the TEs behind Sal's car. Let's go look at it. This is fire, bro. Look at this. I want these wheels at least once on my car. This is so tough. Look at that. Oh my gosh. The chrome just hits, bro. What color do you guys think we did on the wheels? Black? Maybe like a different color, like red or blue or something? Or we did a polish or chrome? Like, what do you guys think? If these are chrome, or we did them all black, fully black to murder off the M. You know, my comp wheels that I dropped off for powder coat, what do you guys think I did? But yeah, we get them back in a couple days. There's like 2 more days left. This is fire though, bro. This car is so clean. He has red interior too. Sheesh. Sounds sick. Sheesh. KB's tripping. Oscar behind us and Pedro on the M4. Twin. Corey's tripping. Sounds crazy. Got off the freeway, but guys, something broke on the M4. I can't even step on it. Listen to the car, like, watch, let me put the window up. Listen, it sounds like I have a big turbo. I can't even do it right here, look at it. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It sounds like Sal's car, but he has a T51R mod. I don't have anything done to my turbo. I can't even step on my car. It's like, I don't know. So we gotta figure this out. Because why is there so many people? Look at this. It's so packed. Sheesh.
Bro, what's going on?
Dude, So many people, it's so packed. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Damn. Like an M4 just like mine? Sheesh, twin? There's gonna be no parking though for sure. Nah, cause what did I just break, bro? I broke something for sure. I just don't know what it is that I broke. Oh, I already found the issue. Yup, it's right here. Dude, my charge pipe literally came off. It literally completely broke, like not broke off, it just came off. It's like going to nothing. Look at right here. It's literally going to nothing. Oh.
Sounds good then.
You hear it? It sounds like his
heard that
car,
shit,
bro.
yeah, it's free.
My charge pipe, bro, look. I messed up my car, bro. Huh? But I'm just trying to make sure everything's clean, you know, everything's good, everything's good.
Nah, bro.
Look at our parking, bro. Bro, we're gonna get
Cops know
fired.
we're good.
And now we're good, bro. There's like 20 of us, so who they're gonna...
Okay, I'll get behind everyone.
Damn.
I'm stuck.
Damn. Sheesh. Nah, cause what is this? That's actually What? Bro, that's crazy. That engine is insane. Look at all the people gathering around. Oh my gosh. Damn, big ass truck. Look at that. Bro. Man, it's a demon. He's tripping. Oh, he's about to kill me. Bro, he's tripping, huh? Bro, I'm dead. Oh, look who pulled up.
Oh yeah.
All over you. Look at he's in the car. He's in the truck revving it while on the tow truck. Hell no. That's so funny, bro. Bro, that's crazy. Nah, he's crazy, bro. It's so loud. As we're gonna head out, it's like getting too like I don't know. There's a line to get out, so we're gonna leave. We're gonna go grab some food with all the cars. Look at the lineup. Sheesh. Look us out. Look at Oblivion. Hey. Everyone's just revving the cars.